Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about Linux distro. Linux distro. In last class we already know about Linux distro, definition of Linux distro. Now we will see Linux distro software. Ubuntu, Cordera, Arch Linux, Deepwell, Garuda Linux, Distro, Bodhi Linux, Black Arch, ParrotOS, and so on. For our further class, we are going to take ParrotOS. Let's we were talking about Kali Linux. I wanna tell them about ParrotOS and Kali Linux. Both are in Debian Debian distro. Both are part of Debian distro. I am going to download. I prefer Hack the Box so that I could also play Hack the Box CTA in this OS. Let's download. You can also download VMware or station, anything. If you are using Linux, you can download here. If you are using Windows, you can download here. I already download this VMware so that I can skip this. It's simple and easier to download. Don't worry about it. And download. I also download this on, so I am skipping this. You can download